There we go. What's that?
That one's just not good.
That's right, yeah.
So we'll go back up there and start the... Wow. Just run to the bathroom. What's up, guys? I don't know where we're gonna be at in this video, but we've made it to Eureka Springs for the Midamerica 02 Fest. We've checked in a hotel. Kind of cool. People have already recognized us.
Yeah.
The car.
Yeah.
But we're gonna unload it off the trailer, then get the trailer and the truck parked and everything set up, and then we're gonna start showing you guys the whole event. We're gonna go check in at the event, maybe do some driving around, some lunch. But today's just check in, getting settled down,
Chill.
and
Yeah.
ready for the event.
Cool.
So, and there's Daniel, ready to go.
Yeah.
Excited.
Yeah.
and
Super excited.
I'm gonna make sure I don't die coming off of the
Yeah.
trailer.
Yeah. Started first drive. We were a little nervous that the battery might have died, but we're good to go. So I'm gonna kind of back up here and make sure he's getting it. Good.
And it runs.
Yeah, it started really nicely, actually.
It's been
Like-
8 years or so. I think 2015. So 5, 6, 8.
Yeah.
Because 2015 was the last one. So
Yeah.
I am
Well, and it was such a like delightful like drive up here with the museum and like
fantastic.
yeah. So let's go check in.
Yeah. Get this.
Get out of this
part.
friggin' humidity.
That's it. The humidity.
We're from New Mexico. We're not from New Mexico. We're coming from New Mexico.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is
Moisture in the air is still a new concept for us.
definitely is.
All right, we'll see you in the next scene.
All right, guys, we're out here, Midamerica Fest in Eureka Springs, and we're doing on the first drive. This morning, we're gonna head down to Rogers, Arkansas on some cool different roads, back roads to get there for lunch. So we're gonna be throwing this on under the hood just to remember, you know, this year's, because this car has been here multiple years, not just the ones we've actually brought it. So we're ready to go. Everyone's getting their stuff ready, gassed up, warmed up, and we even got Buddy next to us that you might have seen from our drive. He's out here with us in his beautiful 1600, and truthfully, everyone's really loving this car. It's been driving great, and I love that even though it's a 2002 like everyone else's, this is definitely a little different. And so it's been fun. People have been definitely embracing it. The color, the wheels, everything.
Just the overall build is. There's so many like cool ones as one goes by right there.
Oh, yeah.
But like, definitely this one stands out, which is fun.
Great.
When you stand out in a group of really cool cars, it means something.
Been talking to everyone here, and if you guys are watching, we totally appreciate the reception we've been getting. Like, I love it. People are coming up. Some people are like, man, I've watched your stuff. Thank you so much. This is all I wanted. We've been wanting is just, you know, people to watch it and either get something from it, you know, learn something, or just appreciate it because it's really fun.
See the thing that they're passionate about, and people
and so
like just showing it.
We really are greatly appreciated.
It makes it worth it for sure.
Yeah. It makes me feel good to like have people come up and recognize, but also just to
enjoy our
build.
build.
I appreciate you guys. Like, and all these cars here have just been awesome. We're gonna be going to some tech sessions this weekend. We're not gonna like film in depth on them, but you'll just see there's gonna be some suspension.
Just what goes on at this event,
and probably some stuff I didn't know, maybe some stuff we did know. But perfect, great info. So we're throwing this one on since this car has been here multiple times. But this is 2023, and
where are we gonna do it?
Hood. Oh yeah, it's going
right there.
Yeah, we're gonna just keep lining them up. maybe even save some space under for next year and the year to follow. But for now, we got 2023, and we're gonna be definitely, hopefully back next year, years to follow, as long as this thing keeps running. So again, thanks for watching. But yeah, we're gonna go on this drive, and when we get back at everything, we're gonna talk about how it went and you know, how this car did and if we had any issues. So
Yeah.
we'll see you then.
Question. Okay, we need a starter.
Yeah, I've been into a big Blink-182 thing lately.
So is Caroline, actually.
I think it's just been hitting right. We didn't get everybody, but holy crap.
I mean, we got most. There's like a couple at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? We're back. Open it. There we go. Actually, yeah. Click that.
Hold this one.
Hold that one. Man, we're
Ready?
gonna get
some local beer.
yeah, some Lost 40. If
Lost
you're
40.
ever in Little
Lost
Rock,
40, if you want to sponsor us, just send us a
definitely. We're in Arkansas, Albuquerque, but I do love Lost 40.
Yeah.
So here we go. Good job.
Cheers.
We're here. Oh, it's so good.